When I left school, I didn't quite know what I wanted to do, but I knew I wanted to work with children. My first impression was that I knew it was a tough job. I knew that you had to be mentally strong to do the job. I knew that tough scenarios would be involved with it. You need to be an open person, you need to be honest, warm, friendly, motivating, and just to be able to get along with a variety of different people in a variety of different circumstances. The favourite aspect of my job is being able to help people in disadvantaged situations, moving into a positive situation out of a negative one. For anyone considering a career in social care, I tell them to go for it. Not everyone can help themselves. It's a chance to make a difference in a child or an adult or a young person's life. And in this job, there's always a way to further your own education as well, so it can be very rewarding.